One fact that people don't know about me is that number one, I don't eat a banana. I'm allergic to bananas. Yo, when I eat a banana, everything I swallow.
I hate being woken up. You have got to have a very good reason if you wake me up. Yeah, or else you are in trouble.
I don't eat vegetables. When I grew up, I used to love junk a lot, and I forgot the health side, So every time when my mom would cook your vegetables and everything, in my mind, I think of ikota, bani chow.
The one thing that people might not know about me is that I am absolutely scared of popping popcorn. I don't know, it's just one of my fears. It frightens me. The sound of the popcorn popping in the pot there just, gives me chills.
One fact that South Africa doesn't know about, I'm a very fearful person. I'm scared of literally the smallest bug in the whole world. So yeah, I'm so fearful. So I stay out of danger the whole time. Stay away from in a room that doesn't have lights. I stay away from rats, lizards, anything. I'm just a fearful person.
I like to walk around barefoot. It doesn't matter how cold or how hot the weather is. I love being one with the earth.
I'm scared of frogs. Like when they jump, knowing that they jump just really, really freaks me out. Frogs, I just don't know.
One fact that people don't know about me is that I tend to get very quiet when I'm nervous. I just want to keep to myself, gather all my thoughts to calm myself down. So I keep to myself when I'm very nervous.